Welcome to Pro Stock Trade's weekly recap. The market lost 0.43% this week, giving the market its second red week of the year. Here's what happened throughout the week. On Monday, the market started off the week in the green, even though Bowman stated that more interest rate hikes are needed to tame inflation. Zoom CEO Eric Yuan is taking a 98% pay cut after laying off 1,300 workers. Yuan will now have a salary of $10,000 and receive no bonuses. Ford is set to announce their plans to build a $3.5 billion battery plant in Michigan. Disney CEO Bob Iger hinted at a possible Hulu sale, shifting their streaming strategy. An internal review from Deutsche Bank found that some employees were deliberately mis-selling derivatives in order to make bigger profits. These employees were selling derivatives to small and medium-sized Spanish companies even though they knew that the products were too complex for their clients. On Tuesday, inflation rose 50 basis points month over month. CPI is now sitting at 6.4% on an annual basis. Pharrell Williams is taking on a role at Louis Vuitton as their men's creative director. Twilio will be laying off 17% of their workforce and close a few offices as they focus on profitability. Palantir stock soared over 20% today after the company came out with 2023 projections that show the company expects it to have its first ever profitable year. Ford is not only cutting 1 in 9 jobs in Europe, but they are also halting F-150 Lightning production and shipments due to potential battery issues. Citadel Securities revealed a 5.5% stake in crypto bank Silvergate. Their total stake is worth about $25 million. On Wednesday, Biden struck a deal with electric vehicle makers. The government is planning to build out a network of both public and private chargers that will work with any electric vehicle. Companies such as Tesla and General Motors are also committing to building a larger charging network that would complement the government system. In other EV news, Tesla is halting some production in China until the end of this month as the company upgrades one of their facilities. Air India just set a record deal by ordering 470 Airbus and Boeing jets. They are also leasing another 25 jets. 220 of the planes being bought will be from Boeing, while the other 250 will come from Airbus. Berkshire Hathaway sold shares of TSMC in a few banks and added to its holdings in Apple. Walmart is shutting down 3 of their tech hubs in the US. Workers will not be fired, but they will need to relocate in order to keep their jobs. Retail sales jumped in January despite recession scares. Sales in retail were up 3%, that's the highest increase in sales in nearly 2 years. On Thursday, Tesla recalled 362,000 vehicles to update its full self-driving beta software after US regulators said on Thursday the driver assistance system did not adhere to traffic safety laws and could cause crashes. Sports betting boomed in 2022. Gross sports game betting revenue hit $7.5 billion, a 75% increase from the year before. Total gross gaming revenue, on the other hand, exceeded $60 billion. Chipotle is launching a spin-off called Farmesa Fresh Eatery. The first of its kind will be opening in Santa Monica in a ghost kitchen. China sanctioned Lockheed Martin and Raytheon because of Taiwan arms sales. The two companies are now banned from imports and exports related to China. BP announced that it will be acquiring Travel Centers of America for a cool $1.3 billion all-cash deal. Paramount Plus will be raising prices this year. Their base tier will jump by $1 from $4.99 to $5.99, while their premium plan will increase from $9.99 to $11.99. Paramount said the increases will happen in the third quarter of 2023. If you enjoy our content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with market news. Thanks for watching and stay informed.